Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Chuman. It's been a while, and actually today we are headed out for I guess our first major trip this half of the year. I normally do a major trip around end of Q3 or first part of Q4. Where we're going, I will just show you when we get there. But meanwhile, this is what I'm wearing today. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, they're all Uniqlo. I'm wearing the oversized shirt. I'm wearing the like relaxed ankle pants. And my cold hand glove shoes because they're super comfy. And this is what I'm bringing with me. I have obviously my ever trusted Rimowa trunk in XL, and then something I bought recently, which is this PackSafe Ventura. I think it's a 42 liter, and then of course my ever trusted PackSafe travel gear. So yeah, we're getting ourselves ready to head out. It's currently around 2:54 p.m. We will be heading to Terminal 3 and check in at the Etihad gate. We're taking the flight um, towards the west. So it should be fun and exciting. This is my first time to this destination or the region of this destination. So I'm so excited to bring you guys along with us. Till then, I'll see you at the other side of the world. Welcome to Iceland. So we'll walk around the crater and see um, what we can see. I think there's something towards that. All right, we're now here at Golfos, I think. It's basically the Golden Waterfalls. We're walking towards the main waterfall, and the backdrop is a glacier. I'll show you the path that we're walking. So you walk here, and then towards that end, there are two pathways. You can go down to the gorge, or you can just walk left and go to the actual waterfalls. We're not going to go down because that's too many steps for us, and we're also not feeling it. So we'll probably just do the left route. And start walking to this. That's amazing. Look at that, guys. That's cool. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Are you guys seeing this? That's absolutely amazing. Holy moly. For scale, that is gorgeous. With the backdrop of all of this. Okay, so that is a golden waterfall. It's huge over there. You can actually walk this trek if you want to. That means you have to go down like 100 or so steps. Not in this weather. Maybe if it were summertime, I would, but it's getting too cold. But it's just nice being here and checking it out much closer. Pretty cool. At this point, we're gonna go up again, maybe 100 plus steps. All right, now here we are at the geyser. park where there's a geyser or a geyser. So we are walking on our way to the geyser or geyser. That we are now heading to uh, a platform that should give you a nice view of this area. Great, like geological structures. What's these structures? Formations. Oh, there's a nice small illustration over here. Check it out. So behind me is the one part of the national park where there's supposedly like I think a meeting of states. I wasn't listening, I was sleeping. Yeah. Okay, we're now back to downtown Reykjavik and we are walking along their commercial strip where there are a lot of quaint small stores, small shops. This is what it looks like. Behind me there, it's cute. I'll show you a couple of them. So these are souvenir shops. And then we have like jewelry that's local. They're fine jewelry actually. And then another boutique. Over here you have a bar and other shops. Everybody, good morning. It is a Monday morning, September 30, and we're walking to have breakfast. It's, I think around 8:30 a.m. We're going to a place called is it Krön, and they apparently serve really good Western breakfast, whatever that means. I'm just cold. It's like 2 degrees or 1 degree. It's freezing, but it's sunny. Not complaining. Okay, so we finished breakfast at Sandholt, and now we're heading to the Sun Voyager. It's like a artsy sculpture. It's over there. There, you can see it from here. And it's famous because it has like this really nice view of a formation or a rock formation. We shall figure out how to cross. Here it is. That's a Sun Voyager sculpture. Beautiful. It's like a Viking ship and for that backdrop. It's nice. That's a cute house. It's actually a coffee shop with like really fun mural paintings. So now we're walking towards the church. It's probably maybe 100 meters away. Excited to check it out. Looks like a interesting structure from afar. Probably more so massive when you're near it. All right, now we are literally in front of that huge, massive church. I'm not gonna attempt to pronounce it because I don't want to murder it and be bad. But here's what it looks like. bells of the church are ringing. Means it's maybe like 1. Alright, so we're walking to Cafe Loki or Loki restaurant. Hope it's not too full. We'll see. Alright, now we're heading to Cafe Loki. It's over here, just near the church. It's that yellow building which says Icelandic traditional food. We will try that rye drink. We are here at Loki restaurant. Alright, so we're now inside the Cafe Loki. It's like an Icelandic restaurant. This one looks like it's out of the second floor. So you get this beautiful mural, kind of like Asgard. And then you get a view of the church, and then different seats. And then you have the menus. For those interested in the menu, this is what they have. You just take a screenshot right here. So we had the Loki's rye bread ice cream and rhubarb syrup, as well as a carrot cake with ice cream. And it looks like that and that. Excited to try it. So this is what we had. Loki's rye bread ice cream with cream and rhubarb syrup plus the carrot cake with cream. Alright, so after we finished Cafe Loki, we're now here at Rainbow Street. It's literally straight from the church, straight down. Okay, everybody, just like that, we're done with our Iceland tour. We're headed to a different country. Right now, we're having breakfast. I wasn't able to capture last night's Northern Lights trip because it was dark and you wouldn't be able to see anything. I'll see if I can post some photos here. So that's what it looks like. You actually don't get to see it with the level of clarity with just your naked eye. You have to take photos of it using either a camera, a DSLR, or your mobile phone. And with me, I used my mobile phone to take those photos. And to be honest, it's quite interesting. It looks cool being able to see it from the lens of the camera or the phone camera. We were just waiting for our boarding here at the Keflavik airport, which is an international flight from here to the next destination. For now, we'll catch you in the next one.